Have you ever think why some people so happy in their life? And with time getting all kinds of happiness, satisfaction, and prosperity. Do you know the reason behind this? Sometime, so many questions arises in the mind. Like, why am I here? What is the purpose of my life? Why am living this life like I don't want to live? Is there any scope of change after this? Can I get out of this? All these questions are very important as well as life-changing. And literally, if we are able to find the solutions of these, then it can create magic in our life. With this beautiful intention, I have created this course. In this course, I will show you everything that you need to know. But before this, let me show what is exactly this course. Let me tell you everything from the starting of the chakra evolution. This story is about thousands of years ago, when our ancestors get inside themselves. While doing meditation, they saw that our body has many energy sources, from where the body emits energy, and that energy is making our body work. With these energies our body takes shape and change. This energy is not like common energy. This energy is coming from universe. The yogis who realized themselves that we need to tell these secrets with others, so that these people have no idea about this secret, what impact it creates over their life. And with this initiative, they also can get benefits and change their life forever. And they try to find out how many energy sources are there in our body. After deep analyze, they conclude that there were many, but 7 major sources, which was named as 7 major chakras. The name of chakra is enough in itself to explain that chakra means revolve. During in-depth meditation they realize that these energies are revolving and generate energy. If anybody realize it and come to understand it, they can not only change their own life, but also the whole pattern of the universe. Each chakra has different meaning to explain. In your life you have observed that there are so many people whom you met throughout the day or week or month. And you observe that out of them some are very friendly, whereas some are not. It's all depend upon their realization themselves. Chakra is start from bottom to top, which can reveal step by step. Throughout the course I will show you almost everything about the chakra. Thank you for checking my course. Hope you like and sign in.